Welcome, astronaut, to the new planet. I am your robot overseer, Pythia. Your mission is to understand this new world and make it habitable. You will encounter various elements, earth, water, and air. Each element has its own unique properties and behaviors. But be cautious, as the environment can be unpredictable. Your journey begins now.
And once you click Start, you can see that there's a helpful information box that tells you helpful tools and keys you need to know, and of course basic instructions for how the game works.
So now I'm going to use the heat engine to boil this part of the little ocean. And the point is that I want to turn the water into steam so that it'll go up and form a cloud. And then I'm going to use fans which both blow the air and also condense it so that it'll blow the water from one side to the other. And once I've done that, you can see that I have a bunch of water on the other side. But there's still an issue because the plants, they need sunlight to grow. So what I need to do now is I need to take the water and currently there's too much steam, which is forming a cloud, which is keeping the sunlight out. And so I need to get the water to kind of sit flat with the plants. And now you can see that I've successfully completed the level by letting the plants grow. This is a demo of how the steam works. So you can see how currently there are no clouds until I add some heat generators, and you can see how the steam will start to kind of build up. But because it is in an enclosed area with no sunlight, the steam will slowly dissipate over time. But instead, if you expose the water to sunlight, then what happens is that the water cycle will start to happen. So this is how we've implemented weather, where essentially through contact with sunlight, the water particles will turn into steam. But what the steam does is that it'll block out the sunlight, which causes the water particles to turn, the steam to turn back into water, and the cycle continues. So water turns into steam, turns into water, turns into steam. And you can see that happening here on the top right of the screen. And you can see that I can actually disrupt the water cycle by placing fans down, because fans will actually cool down the simulation and cause it to cause everything to condense.